Morning. So you have this common saying, when people show you who they are, you have to believe them. And it's so true, And, I realize I've been through so many different situations throughout my lifetime. At this young age, that's why, I'm able to do what I do. Sometimes it's not the age. Age is not synonymous to maturity and experience, As an individual, when you go through certain things, then that gives you the experience, whether you're 2, 4, 6, 8, 30. And, I've come across a lot of people in my life, and I want to say to you guys, and I always say this, you have to be mindful of the people that you let into your lives. And when you let them in, you still have to keep 2 eyes out. You have to be cognizant of every move that's made, of every talk that's made. Because not everybody is genuine, and there are some people out there who they're disruptions, and they're just looking for somebody's life to disrupt, whether it's at the workplace, it's in the home, it's out there in the field. I don't know where it is, but that's how people are very deceitful and disingenuous in this time. And when life seems to be getting harder and more competitive, and certain markets are so saturated, people are just looking out for themselves. And mind you, people will use you if you allow them to. If they see a loophole where they can use you, some people will take advantage of that, and they will use you. You understand me? They see your life all rosy. They don't know how you come to that place, They don't know how you arrived at that place, but you seem comfortable and you seem at peace. And some people just don't like when you are at peace, because they're not at peace. But they'll come to you with that facade, seemingly as if they are at peace with themselves when they're not. And they're upset and they're jealous of your peace, and they'll come into your life, and they'll come just like a sweet little angel, a sweet little butterfly, and they'll come and they'll tell you all the right things you want to hear. They mash up your life. You allow them to be a part of your business. They mash up your business. Before you know it, you're miserable like them. Just be careful. It can be family members, it can be friends, it can be people 10 years ago, it can be somebody we meet yesterday. It doesn't matter. All I'm trying to say that you always have to be on that verge of cognizance, where every single time, a talk is made, a move is made, you have to open your eye. You have to assess situations. Because the thing is, I know every skin teeth a laugh. You understand me? Not everybody's going to be happy and thrilled for you. Sometimes, certain things we accomplish in a certain, time frame, they tried it and they weren't successful, and because you did it, they're not so happy with that. Then you have another set of people in life that they see you in a certain situation, and trust me, they can help you to be elevated and come out of that situation. But yeah, some people like if you suffer, and they will come in your life, and then we see your life alright, and them left you if you suffer. And when them leave if you dead, and then realize them never bury you, you were a seed and you grew. Them vex with you when they not tell them how you manage that process of transition. Like, I left you to die. Why are you still living? You understand me? You as an individual have to understand your inner strength, and you can't give people your power. You can't let people, you can't make people know all your every move, because they'll use it to their advantage, your disadvantage, and before you know, you're no longer in the game. Open your eyes, be wise, realize who you let in your life. Not every kid teacher laugh, and everybody will say them like you. Some people are just there to hurt you, to make you miserable as much as they are. Some people are just there to slow down your success, because they can't stop it. At the end of the day, it's your success, and what is for you is for you. So some people will try to come and try to manipulate that. They'll try to modify it to their advantage, your disadvantage, and before you know it, as me say, you're miserable and you're starting back at square one. But in all aspects of your life and in every single relationship, understand that every experience is just there, to teach you something, and you must learn, because you don't want to be in a situation, where you're constantly, doing the same thing over and over. You won't yield different results. Just be mindful of who you're letting in your life. And not every kid teeter laugh, and not everybody will say them like you. Have a wonderful Friday, guys. Be safe. And this is your girl CC saying bye bye.